Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your email address in VistaCreate. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to VistaCreate website. Simply type in create.vista.com in address bar. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now click on the profile icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, click on Account Settings option. Now click on Edit Account Details button. A new window will appear. Here you can see your email on this tab. Click on Edit Link and type in your new email address. Confirm it by typing it once again. After that, click on Save button. Now you will get a confirmation email to your new email address. If you do not get the confirmation, you can click on Send Confirmation Email Again link. Open an email and click on Verify Email button. You will get an interface like this. After opening that email, you will be directly logged into your account. Here, go to your account settings and click on Edit Account Details. You can see that your email has been changed. So that is how you can change email address in VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.